Today we show you how to download Battlefield 6. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to Steam and click now to store and go here to Battlefield. Wait, one guys, it's here. Go now to search and click Battlefield. Okay guys, Battlefield like this. Okay, did you find it here? Okay, Battlefield 6, just click Ali. Okay, after this you can buy it from the Battlefield website, okay, or you can buy it from the Steam and you can do everything. It's okay guys, it's nothing, it's okay, it's for one, it's maybe to $42. Okay guys, just you can buy it from your MasterCard or something like that. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and after you buying, just go to library and click you are here to will be find it's here, just click it and download it. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.